one of the most affordable online tools to design and create beautiful products, specifically digital products. In this video, let's explore what Canva can do for us. What are the great things about Canva anyway? As we see, Canva is about a drag and drop feature. We can create all kinds of digital products from ebooks, social media brand kits, infographic, digital planner, and even video and animation. We can invite our team to collaborate on the design project. Sure, everyone can use Canva. Now everyone can design. And most importantly, Canva is free. Firstly, let's just sign up or log in. We can use our Gmail account, email address, or alternatively log in using a Facebook account. Here we go. In the next video, let's create a new design on Canva. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.